Hello kids! Today, we are going to explore the wonderful world of jobs and careers. Are you ready? Let's get started. Teacher, teacher. Doctor, doctor. Nurse, nurse. Engineer, engineer. Lawyer, lawyer. Pilot, pilot. Flight attendant, flight attendant. Astronaut, astronaut. Dentist, dentist. Singer, singer. Artist, artist. Journalist, journalist. Office worker, office worker. Hairdresser, hairdresser. Farmer, farmer. Baker, baker. Chef, chef. Driver, driver. Worker, worker. Police officer, police officer. Firefighter, firefighter. Soldier, soldier.